Good morning, investors and traders. This is Naim Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our YouTube channel on which we present opportunities for you guys in terms of Forex, equities, commodities, and of course, cryptos. So when I look at the Dow Jones futures today, they are trading higher by 76 points. And of course, remember, the last time that we saw the Dow Jones closing in, the Dow Jones closed in pretty much in negative territory by 0.5%, which was on Wednesday, because obviously yesterday was a public holiday. Now, speaking of that public holiday, today even the US stocks and of course the fixed income market, i.e. a bond market, is also going to have a shorter session because of the Thanksgiving. So do not expect too much of a volume. Do not expect too much of a stock movement, in other words, over in Europe or during the US session as well. But of course, the futures will continue to trade. But overall, what we have experienced this particular week is that at the beginning of this particular week, we saw this massive momentum to the upside. Stocks were moving higher. But then as we started to approach towards the mid of this week, obviously because of Thanksgiving, the momentum started to lose. It's we didn't see the same sort of momentum that we experienced at the beginning of this week. So now, but nonetheless, one important factor to keep in mind is that despite all of this, we are still on track to record best November in terms of a stock gain since 1987. So that is certainly something that we need to pay attention to. But talking about paying attention, yesterday in the crypto market, Bitcoin experienced one of the biggest sell-off since March this year, because Bitcoin prices dropped well over $3,000 yesterday. Now, of course, we are experiencing some recovery since then. Yesterday, the prices moved above the 17,000 mark, but then quickly today, earlier today, the prices started to move back with that critical level of 17,000. Now we are trading in around 16,800 price level. So in terms of the direction from here, what we're really looking at is the lows that we formed yesterday. We certainly don't want the prices to go beyond that. And more importantly, for more active traders such as your intraday traders, what you wanted to pay attention is, of course, that keep an eye on the 4-hour time frame, and you don't want the prices to cross below the 200-day simple moving average, because if it does, that will certainly confirm that yes, more weakness is ahead in terms of a Bitcoin. And if you do hold Bitcoin, that means that yes, more pain could be on your way, on the way for you. But at the same time, it also means that you can buy Bitcoin at a cheaper level, at a much cheaper price level, as you have done before. So that average dollar cost can really make things a lot more better, because the upward trend, the longer term upward trend, is still very much in place if we look on the weekly chart. All right, that's all for today from my side. Enjoy your weekend and have a great weekend. I'll see you guys next week.